Hey everyone, in this video we will start by exploring the security component in the cloud, specifically with respect to AWS. So we'll see how AWS manages the security and what you need to be aware of. Let's start. If you've got a machine on premises, you want to make sure that people from the outside should not, who don't have access or who should not be given access are not able to access your machine. So you have got a firewall in there, and then you've got you've got an access control list which says who can access what resource, and then you've got administrators who further give you fine-grained access. So similarly, you've got concept of security group, NACL and IAM, and we'll continue to explore this further. So the first one we'll tackle is security group. So let's say, think of it as who can access a machine. So let's say you've got a laptop or a hardware which is sitting on the cloud, and who can access specific ports and protocols. It talks about what ports and protocols are open on that particular machine, and the machine is able to talk, so it'll have inbound and outbound rules, so it's able to speak with someone on certain ports and certain protocols. So this is where you define that. This is the security group. So it manages at a port and protocol level, manages who has access, and it is EC2. EC2 is, think of it as a computer in the cloud. So you talk about security group there. And then you've got component, which is, and then you've got NACL. So NACL is essentially what it's sort of, you can liken it to a firewall, where you say, hey, these are the rules to access a subnet. So think of subnet as a small group of computers in your VPC. And we will explore VPC as we go along, but think of, let's say your whole data center is the VPC, and inside that you've defined subnets. And who can access all the PCs sitting inside a subnet. So this NACL will define that. And it manages who has access. It is at a VPC, it's at a subnet level essentially, and it manages access at port and protocol level as well. So it's a security group, but it's not at a computer level, but it's at a more of a network level. So that's what a NACL is. And identity and access management. So this is a set of policies which you define. So AWS has got a lot of services. So for example, EC2 wants to talk to S3, which is the file share system, for example. So you need to define a policy which gives EC2 or your computer access to put data into the S3 bucket. So for example, you've got a shared drive on-prem, and you want to put some stuff on that. So essentially your computer has or your login should have the privilege to copy stuff into that. So this is where it's very similar to what IAM is, where you define who can access what services in your VPC. So in this video, we've covered some of the essential security components in AWS. We'll cover other components as we go along. I'll start constructing and adding more. So let me go back to this slide. So I'll start adding more components up on top of it as we go along this journey. So at the moment, it's just at the AWS security level. So that's about it for today. I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do like my channel and please do like my video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy what I'm doing and it works for you. Cheers, bye.